how to make zip file on your iPhone 17, 17 Pro, Pro Max, or any iPhone series. For that, you have to go your file and go to any folder. For example, I am going to this folder. First of all, you have to move your file to your folder. For example, you want to make, for example, these two images as a zip file. Then you have to select and press on this icon, and then here you can see save to file. Now you have to save your file to your folder, desired folder. On my phone, I am creating a test folder, test, and just paste here. Now go back to your folder again. Now select this three dotted line, press on select. Now select your image that you want to compress. Then press on three dotted line, press on compress. Then your folder save as a zip file. So if you want to unzip it again, just simply press, and then you can see the folder will be unzipped. So that's it. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up. Have a good day.